It is the day that we've been telling you about all week long. FEMA and the FCC planning to have a nationwide emergency alert test this afternoon.
So you're going to be alerted on your TVs, your radios, and most importantly, your cell phone later this afternoon. And Fox 17's Lauren Coomer joining us now with more on when to be prepared, what to expect. So really, you're not caught off guard. Good morning, Lauren.
Yeah, good morning, Elliot, Janice. The national test will consist of two portions, according to FEMA. That includes the wireless emergency systems and the emergency alert systems. It's set to take place around 2:20 this afternoon. Now, FEMA tells Fox 17 the WEA portion will be directed to cell phones and the EAS portion will be sent to radios and televisions. The goal is to ensure that the systems continue to be effective, to warn the public about emergencies, particularly on the national level. All wireless phones should receive the message only once, which will say this is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. An alert tone similar to an Amber Alert will be played when the message is received by the phone. If you are in a position where you can't have the alert go off on your phone, you can turn your phone off ahead of time and keep it off until a half hour before that test. Experts say that should bypass the alert tone. Now, again, this is scheduled to take place at around 2:20 this afternoon, so just be aware of that so you're not caught off guard. Now, if it doesn't happen for whatever reason of severe weather or other events, the next date will be set for October 11th. Reporting live in Grand Rapids, I'm Lauren Coomer, Fox 17 News.